Hello, my dear students. This is P. Venkateshwarlu, PGT Physics, the Nandal Public School. Today, I will discuss about electromagnetic induction, part 4. Coming to energy stored in inductor. Energy stored in inductor. The energy of a capacitor is stored in the electrical field between its plates. The energy of a capacitor is stored in the electric field between its plates. Similarly, an inductor has the capability of storing energy in its magnetic field. Similarly, an inductor has the capability of storing energy in its magnetic field. Okay, see here. Consider a inductor. We can send current I. Okay, current increasing. Okay. So we know that induced EMF in the coil, is given by E is equal to minus L di by dt. Okay, di by dt. How it will get means we know that N phi b is directly proportional to I, or N phi b is equal to Li. Okay, by differentiating with respect to time dt. Okay, understand? So we can remove number of terms, saying we can take d phi b by dt is equal to L di by dt. Understand? So what is the rate of change of flux? The rate of change of flux E is equal to minus d phi by dt, that is equal to minus L di by dt. Understand? So by in this way we can get E is equal to minus L di by dt, Understand how we can get this? Flux is directly proportional to current. The rate of change of flux is equal to L into di by dt. d phi b by dt is equal to E, according to second law of Faraday. Okay, so minus indicates it opposes the current. Okay, minus L di by dt. Understand how it will get? Understand, my students? Okay, so then how we can get power? Power means the rate of doing work. Power is equal to dw by dt. That is equal to, power is equal to V into I. Okay, V into I we can get E into I. Understand? E into I. VI is the power. Understand? So E is equal to here some similarity is there. V is equal to E. So we can get dw by dt is equal to EI. That is equal to, what is E? Minus L di by dt. Understand? dt gets cancelled. Here the work done, the change in work done, it becomes negative potential energy. That is equal to minus L integration of, here I is there, I into di. So E is this equation I. Okay, understand? So by integrating by integrating work we can get the negative potential energy, which is equal to minus L integration of I di from limits 0 to current, 0 current to I current. Understand? Negative gets cancelled. U is equal to L integration 0 to I di. Okay, so by integrating we can get the equation. U is equal to L I di is equal to I square by 2 limits 0 to I. U is equal to L I square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. Understand? L I square by 2. Rearrange this. U is equal to 1 by 2 L I square. Understand? 1 by 2 L I square. Then next energy density. Energy density is defined as energy per unit volume. Okay, so energy density is equal to energy by volume. Energy by volume. Energy density is equal to 1 by 2 L I square divided by area into length. Understand? So here what is L? Mu naught N square A by L. Understand? So we can substitute here 1 by 2 mu naught N square A I square divided by A L into L square. Understand? 1 by 2 mu naught N square A I square divided by A L. Here L is there, L square. Okay, understand? So we can multiply A. We can multiplying mu naught by mu naught. Okay, in numerator denominator we can take mu naught. We can get 1 by 2 mu naught square N square I square divided by L square. Okay, A gets cancelled. Understand? Remaining what we can get? Mu naught here 1 by mu naught is there. 1 mu naught is multiplying this. Okay, 1 by 2. This we can write B square by mu naught. Rearrange this. B square by 2 mu naught. Understand? Energy density V square by 2 mu naught. Very, very important one. Okay, so how we can get this? B is equal to mu naught N by L into I. Okay, understand? B square means mu naught square N square I square divided by L square. Understand? So we know that N by L is equal to small n. Number of turns per unit length is equal to small n. Understand? These are the clues. Energy density finally energy density is equal to b square by 2 mu naught, b square by 2 mu naught. In this problem they given length. Length of the solenoid is equal to 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. This we can write 40 into 10 power minus 2 meters. And area of the coil. A is equal to 20 centimeters square. 20 centimeters square. 20 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Okay, so next number of turns they given, n is equal to 800. Okay, so in this case what we have to find? Self inductance. L is equal to, we have to find L is equal to what is the formula? Mu naught n square by L into A. Understand? Mu naught n square A divided by L. Okay, so we can substitute mu naught. What is mu naught? 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. 10 power minus 7. It is constant. 4 into 3.14 into 10 power minus 7 into number of turns 800 square into area 20 into 10 power minus 4 divided by length 40 into 10 power minus 2. 40 into 10 power minus 2. So by cancellation we can get 4.02 into 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5 Henry. Okay, Henry. So inductance, self-inductance or inductance, SI unit is Tesla meter square per ampere. This we can say Henry. Understand? So Henry means Tesla meter square per ampere. In this problem they given energy. Okay, so we have to find self inductance. So they given energy U is equal to 25 millijoules. Okay, 25 into 10 power minus 3 joules. Milli is equal to 10 power minus 3. And current I is equal to 60 milliamperes. 60 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. 60 into 10 power minus 3 milliamperes. So in this we have to find L, self-inductance. What is the formula? Self-inductance, energy stored in self-inductance U is equal to 1 by 2 Li square. Then L is equal to 2U is equal to Li. L is equal to 2U by I. Understand? 2 into 25 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 60 into 10 power minus 3. Understand? Okay. 2 it is a number, U energy 25 into 10 power minus 3 by current is equal to 60 milliamperes. See here, 10 power minus 3 gets cancelled. Sorry, here I square is there. I square. I square, 10 power minus 3, here 30, 2 ones 2 30s. Okay, so by cancellation we can get 13.89 Henry. Okay, L is equal to 2U by I square, 2 into U divided by I into I square, 13.89 Henry. The self-inductance in the given problem, we have to found that L is equal to 13.89 Henry. Mutual inductance. The phenomenon according to which an opposing EMF is produced in a coil as a result of change in current or magnetic flux linked with a neighboring coil is called mutual inductance. Once again, the phenomenon according to which an opposing EMF is produced in a coil as a result of change in current or magnetic flux linked with neighboring coil is called mutual inductance. It means consider two coils. If we can send current through primary coil, the current or the EMF is generated in neighboring coil. This phenomenon is called mutual inductance. Mutual inductance. Understand? Mutual inductance. Consider two coils. This is primary. It is say P1. Primary. The current passing through it I1. Number of turns is N1. And consider another coil. This is secondary. N2 is number of coils in secondary coil. Okay, understand? So this mutual inductance is depending upon size of the coils, number of turns and nature of the material used, and the distance between two coils. Understand? If we can send current through primary coil, we can get the induced EMF in the secondary coil. Understand? So this we can say mutual. So once we can send current I1 through the coil 1. In coil 2 or secondary coil, we can get induced EMF or induced current. Understand? How we can get means, see here, N2 phi 2 is directly proportional to I1. Okay. The current passing through primary coil, which is always proportional to the flux linked with respect to 1 into number of turns. Means N2 phi 2 is directly proportional to I1. See here, we can say this is phi 2 1 flux 2 with respect to 1, which is proportional to I1. This we can written as with respect to 1 and 2. Okay, flux 2 with respect to 1. Okay, understand? So that is equal to phi 21 is equal to mutual inductance of 2 with respect to 1 into I1. Mutual inductance 2 with respect to 1. So this is equation 1. Understand? So here mutual inductance we can written as M which is equal to minus E2 means EMF 2 divided by dI1 by dt. dI1 by dt. Understand? The SI unit of mutual inductance Weber per ampere. Okay, dimension formula m power 1 L power 2 T power minus 2 A power minus 2 dimension formula. Okay, dimension formula m power 1 L power 2 T T power minus 2, A power minus 2. Okay. So this dimension formula SI unit, we can say that Henry. Okay, Henry means Weber per ampere. Weber per ampere. Inductance, self-inductance, mutual inductance having same SI units and same dimension formula. Coming to derivation. How we can get final equation? So we know that flux, same equation. Flux 2 with respect to 1, which is equal to M21 I1. Okay. Flux 2 with respect to 1. Flux 2 with respect to 1 is equal to, means N2 B1A. Number of turns in secondary coil, magnetic field developed in the primary coil, and area. Understand? Okay. N2 we can written as N2 into L. Understand? B1 we can written as mu1 mu naught N1. N1 is equal to N2L. N2 is equal to small n, capital N2 is equal to N2L, because N means number of turns per unit length. Okay, number of turns per unit length. Understand? Like that. And here B1 is equal to magnetic field of solenoid. For solenoid, mu naught N into I. You can write like that. B is equal to mu naught N into I. Or B is equal to mu naught capital N by L into I. Understand? From this you can write B1. Okay, phi to 1 is equal to N2 means N2L. B1 means mu naught N1 I1 into A. Understand? So we can written as phi to 1 is equal to mu1 N1 N2 L or A into L into I1. Understand? So what according to equation 1, according to 1 we can written as M21 I1 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A L I1 gets cancelled. We can written as M21 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A L suffix. Understand? Mu naught N1 N2 A L. Okay, in the form of capital L. So we know that M21 is equal to M12, same. How much of magnetic flux linked with the coil 1 to coil 2, like that coil 2 with respect to coil 1, M21 is equal to M12 is equal to mu1 N1 by L into N2 by L into A into L. L gets cancelled. You can written as mu naught N1 N2 A divided by L. Understand? So this is the expression for mutual inductance. What is that? M21 or M12, which is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A divided by L. Understand? This is the expression for mutual inductance. Mutual inductance means if current passing through coil 1 or primary coil, the flux is linked with respect to 1 to an induced EMF is developed in secondary coil. If we can send current through primary coil, an induced current or an induced EMF developed in secondary coil. So that mutual inductance M21 or is equal to M12 is equal to mu naught N1 N2 A divided by L. Understand? If we can take any medium, for any medium we can written as mu naught is equal to mu by mu naught. Relative permeability is equal to mu by mu naught. Okay, any medium means mu. Permeability, if we can take mu means mu naught mu r, it will come. M21 M12 is equal to mu r N1 N2 A divided by L, or mu naught mu r N1 N2 A into L. Understand? These are the two expressions. Okay, understand, my dear children?